There are four types of data analytics. The first one is descriptive analytics. This is basically talking about what happened. You're analyzing data to find out what happened. You're looking at historic data, the past data, and just looking at trends and seeing what pattern you can create or get from that. So that's basically what descriptive analytics, you're trying to describe what's been happening, okay, as the name implies. So an example of the descriptive analytics could be if we are looking at sales, let's use sales report for example. We're looking at the sales data. Last month's sales report could be descriptive. It's telling us what happened last month. It's historic. You can from there see the pattern of what people bought more, who bought what more, what regions sold more. You can create a pattern from the data from that past result from the previous month. Like, I don't know if that's clear enough. I'm trying to picture the example I'll give you, but I hope that makes sense. Using historic data to create patterns and understand what has happened in the past. So historic. Number two is diagnostic analytics. This is where you are trying to diagnose, as the name implies. You're trying to find out why did something happen. Using our sales example again, you want to diagnose a problem, you want to know why did this happen. So a good example would be analyzing why the sales dropped in a certain region. So you have seen from the descriptive analytics, you've seen pattern, you've seen that a particular region, the sales dropped drastically. Now you want to find out why did this sales drop drastically in this region. That's diagnostic analytics. So you're trying to find out why did it happen. Okay. Predictive analytics is the third one. In this particular type of analytics, what you're trying to do is find out what will happen next. So it's predictive or forecasting. So you're predicting or forecasting. Weather is a good example, but let's look at our sales data again. So you can be looking at the sales data, and based on what you're seeing on the sales data, you can predict customers' behavior. You can predict when a customer will buy or order a certain kind of good. You can make predictions of customer behavior basically in this kind of analytics. So that's predictive. And the last but not the least is prescriptive analytics. In prescriptive analytics, you have what you have predicted based on the predictive analytics is what would happen, what will happen next. In the prescriptive, you are now looking at, based on what you can see that will happen next, what should we do next? So prescriptive is what should we do next. It's like having recommendations based on your predictions. So you're still using our sales data. You've been able to predict the customer's behavior. You know that a customer is going to buy a certain amount of a particular product, or that a lot of customers are buying one type of product. So you need to stock more on that product. So that could be what you will decide to do based on your prescriptive analytics results. And you could decide, okay, we're stocking more on this product. It means we might have to also open up a new warehouse so that we can have enough stock, because the warehouse we have doesn't have enough stock. If this amount of customers we expect to buy this product in the next 6 months actually go for this product, then we would run out of product. So we need to stock up. We might need to build a new warehouse. This is all prescriptive. I don't know if that's clear enough, but I tried to use some real life examples to explain that. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay graceful and remember, I love you.